Let's see how to remove or instantly fix double spaces or extra space between words in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open our document, as you can see right here. Now, for example, if you're working with really long documents, then sometimes it would be unavoidable to have some double spaces as you enter your spacebar twice. Now, to look for these double spaces, simply head on over to the Home tab, click on Find, and type in two spaces, click Enter, and that will show you all the double spaces in your document. Now, to delete those spaces or to replace those double spaces with single spaces, simply click on the Replace tab. Now, here under Find What, type in double space, and replace with, type in single space, and click on Replace All. And as you can see, Microsoft Word will automatically replace all of those. And that is it. Simply click Yes, and there you go. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.